This car's so much fun. This car's a good deal for under $250. I've been real happy with it. I just had to do a few changes to it. It came with the factory wheels and tires. They sucked. They didn't do worth the darn. They didn't impress me at all. So I got these off Amazon. I think I paid $15 or $20 for them. I can't remember. And then the steering servo of this thing, it came with like a 6 kilogram servo, and steering was awful. So I swapped it out for a 35 kilogram servo, and now it runs great. And then I went ahead, and this is my choice. I just went ahead and put a radio link receiver in it, so I got it on my radio link. And does come with a 3300 kV brushless motor, 60 amp ESC. It's got the adjustable turnbuckles on it, front and rear. It's got oil-filled shocks. So it's a great little car. And last time I did a speed run with it, I got 50 miles an hour out of it with stock wheels and tires, not these. But I want to put these boots on here. I'm going to try that. I got these little 12 millimeter to 14 millimeter hex adapters. So I'm going to swap that out and do a speed run on it. See if it goes over 50 miles an hour. But like I said, it's a good little car, definitely worth the money. Get it for I think $240. And I definitely recommend it. So we're going to go speed run it, go check it out. And then we're going to go throw it on the beach, put these tires back on it, throw it on the beach, and just hoon it around a little bit. You'll see how well it runs, see how much fun it is. All right, street tires are on it. If the GPS is working, it is. Let's see what that was. $49 miles an hour. Well, putting these wheels and tires on it didn't make any difference in the speed run. It did 49. Like I said, when I first got it, it did 50 miles an hour on the stock wheels and tires, which I'll put a link to that video right over here. But it does look pretty good with these wheels and tires on it, and it handles great and drove straight, as you can tell on the speed run. So I mean, it's still a good little car. But this thing shines off-road. So I'm gonna put the knobbies back on it, and then we're gonna take out the beach and hoot it around. But anyway, guys, I really appreciate it, and y'all be good and take care.